welcome back to my channel. I'm Lisa and this is Beautiful You Wig Reviews. I'm so glad that you are here today. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that bell, and then you will never miss any of my wig related videos. Today I am bringing you a review for pinkypromise.com. Go to the Pinky Promise website and sign up to receive their emails, and you will get a code for 30% off. You can also email support@pinkypromise.com if you have any questions about which colors are in stock or which styles are in stock of any wig. So today I am bringing you a review for a super curly, super cute little style. This is Jordan by Envy, and the color on this one is Sparkling Champagne. So I cannot wait to tell you more about this curly girl in just a moment. And start talking about Curly Twirly Jordan. She is a super, super curly piece. I don't know if I've ever reviewed a wig that was this curly. So it's fun. Like, there's no way that my bio hair would have ever held curl like this. So I've never had hair this curly. So when I put her on at first, I was like, whoa. But then the more I kind of played with her a little bit, I was like, oh gosh, she's really cute, and I really like these curls, and now I think they're super, super fun. So she is made of their Envy hair, which is 70% heat-friendly synthetic and 30% human hair. So she can be straightened if you want to straighten her, but my goodness, I mean, these curls are adorable. So, but you do have that option if you want to try to calm the curl down or anything like that, you can do that. So she's really, really cute. So I'll do a turn all the way around, and then we can look at all of her lace front and all that kind of stuff. So here she is from the front. Now, bang-wise, she has a long bang layer. I suppose you probably could cut a bang across there and shorten those front layers. But you would need to use flat iron and steam and things like that to get them to lay right up against, your forehead. So, but she does provide a little bit of, forehead coverage if you just wear the curls closer to the face, but they do flop a little bit. You just have to be throwing them out of the way. But if you have really, really curly hair like this, that's what you're going to be doing anyway. So she's really, really cute. Okay, so front. Here's my right. Curly, curly. The back, my left, and back to the front. Okay, so let me show you her lace front. She does have a lace front under all these curls. So that lace shows just a little bit. So this was how it was on the other Envy hair wig that I reviewed. So, you might want to trim that lace back if it bothers you. This lace is blending in with my skin tone pretty good. So I don't know that that's something that I would do. And then she has a mono part with these curls. I didn't want to mess the curls up, when I took her out of the box. So I did my best to get the zigzag part out. But you have a part that goes all the way, and you can really see here on the crown, you can see the appearance of scalp. But she does have a full, left mono part there. And once she relaxed a little bit, I think after some wear, that monofilament would show more. So Sparkling Champagne is also a rooted color, as you can see. So that looks really, really pretty. Very cute. Okay, and ear tabs. So her ear tabs are good. I have good coverage. Really cute. Really, really nice. Okay, I will pop her up and we can look at the inside of her cap. Interior cap construction for Jordan by Envy. So again, you can see they have a thicker lace, and so it has some sheen to it, but that does not show on the outside of the wig, so don't be alarmed about that. So you have a, left mono part that goes back almost all the way to the crown. Has a really nice scalp appearance on the top. And then you have just ear tab to ear tab on that lace front. You have some, a wide lace front up here for changing, the part a little bit towards the front if you'd like to do that. She's got nice, soft, felt ear tabs, nice amount of hair attached to the ear tabs for styling. She's open wefted all through the cap. She has Velcro adjusters. She has a soft felt extended nape. So here's that crown I'm talking about. So you can see that appearance of scalp. And it's hard to show you the part because, like I said, I don't think I completely have the zigzag out. There you go. So you can see my finger under there. Looks good. Lace front, So again, you don't see that sheen on the outside of the lace front, so don't be, alarmed about that. Okay, so measurements for Jordan are, she has a 9.5-inch layer here in the front. So this, these front little curls are, if they were stretched out, they're 9.5 inches. She has 3 to 11-inch layers up here on the top. The 3, I'm not really seeing the 3, but there are some shorter curls, and then she gradually goes down. So she does have some layers. So that is gonna also lend, itself towards volume in the piece. So on the side, she is 4.5 inches to 8.5 inches, and her nape back here is 3.5 inches. She's coming in with a weight of 3.77 ounces. So she's very, very lightweight. Okay, very, very cute. So let's talk about this beautiful color. This is Sparkling Champagne. I know this is a popular color by Envy, and I'm excited that I got to try it because I've never tried it before. And I actually think it's a blonde that works pretty well with my skin tone. I normally wear brunettes, so with the rooting and everything. So they describe Sparkling Champagne, and like I said, it is a rooted color, is a blend of lightest golden brown, medium golden blonde, and light ash blonde with platinum highlights and medium brown roots. So a lot going on. You've got a platinum, you've got an ash, you have a medium golden blonde. I think with that combination of blondes, I think this makes this more of a neutral blonde. So if you tend to like warm blondes, I think you might be able to get away with this. Or if you are a cooler blonde fan, you might be able to get away with it too. So very, very pretty color. I like how you can see the rooting, all throughout the wig. Turned off my bright lights just to show you what she looks like. All right, we'll take her outside. So here's Sparkling Champagne outside in the natural light. Here's the lace front on Jordan. Mono part. All right, it's a bit overcast. Here she is in the full natural light. Okay, and here I am right in front of a window. So I feel like in the brighter or like this direct light, she kind of has a beigey blonde. I guess the platinums are popping more. Okay, so really, really pretty color. All right, we will play around with a little styling and glasses and all that kind of stuff. So, okay, so ear tucking wise, she's not the best style for an ear tuck. As you can see, you've got this, you might tuck her and you're gonna have to pull down these curls kind of in the front. So, and like I said, you might want to go through and trim this layer back a little bit. It's a little in the face, so, but I will push it back out of the way just so you can see the glasses here. So this would not be a style that I would try to put my glasses up in like this, because as you can see, it's just not going to work. But you could get her out from behind the ears and just stick your glasses in her, no problem, So, but these curls are a little tight to try to push back with glasses and that sort of thing. So, let's see how we fare here with headbands. Okay, so you can tuck her and you can get a headband in there. I think I might pull down. Let's see what that looks like. Oh yeah, that's cute. Pull down one little, one or two of those little layers maybe, or maybe pull them down and tuck them. Just get a little cute, effect there at the front. Fluff her up. She is low density, but she just has volume from all these curls, so cute. Now, of course, you could also probably tame her a bit by just sticking a headband in her, bring her down a little. Now, like I said, I didn't want to comb through these curls or anything, but you know, you certainly can comb through and calm them down a little bit. You could even take your flat iron and kind of flatten them out a little so they're not quite so, you know, voluminous. She looks really cute. So, you know, she's got a lace front and a left mono part, so you can pull back this front and clip her back like that, and she looks cute. Or you could clip her, let's see, this little clip would be good for that, kind of clip her back to the side, and that would also get that, you know, that front layer out of your face a little. That looks super cute, actually. She doesn't have enough length to pull her back like and keep her claw clipped in the back, but you could clip her like, you know, right behind the ears with a pretty, you know, sparkly clip or a bobby pin clip or something like that. That would look cute. Get her away from your face a little bit. And again, you could let those front curls kind of hang down, you know. Cute. She's really, really cute. Okay, very, very cute little curly wig, Jordan by Envy. This is, like I said, their Envy hair. So thank you to Pinky Promise for sending me this wig to review for you all today. There will be information below for purchasing Jordan from Pinky Promise. Don't forget also to go to the website and sign up and save that 30% off, you know, when you get their emails. So great little way to save some money. So thank you so much for watching today. And until next time, don't forget, you are absolutely beautiful. Bye.